Kasabay sa pagdiriwang ng Araw ng Kalayaan, rumampa kagabi ang ilang kapuso stars and personalities sa Megaball 2026. Sentro ng pagdiriwang ang pagpupugay para sa larangan ng malikhahing industriya at pelikulang Pilipino. Narito ang aking chika. Elegant in white si kapuso global fashion icon at the People Have Spoken host Heart Evangelista as she graced the red carpet ng Megaball 2026. Itlinex pa niya ang jewelry na mismong siya ang nag-design.
It's super nice because especially when you have all these madams that appreciate your hard work, that acknowledge the detail and the quality of gems and jewels that I've been, really I'm very hands-on.
Fresh from her vacation abroad naman si Shubi Etrata na mas lumalim daw ang pagkilala sa kanyang TDH na si Anthony Constantino.
I've learned a lot of their culture, especially Anthony's. So, happy ako.
Busy man sa preps ng kanyang upcoming kapuso medical drama series na Code Gray si Alden Richards. Hindi pa rin nawawala ang oras niya para sa cycling.
It's really more about time management. Yung age ko ngayon na I think ito yung tamang moment na to seize the moment and take every opportunity that presents itself.
Dumating din para makipagdiwang sina First Vice President for Sparkle GMA Artists Center Joy Marcelo at Sparkle stars Kailin Alcantara, Cassie Legaspi, Ashley Ortega, Dustin Yu, Bianca King, Michelle D, Dennis Trillo and Jeneline Mercado, Glyza De Castro at ang husband niyan si David Rainey, Jillian Ward at the Master Cutter leading lady Max Collins.
Gusto ko po kasi ng timeless lang na piece, tailored lang, something simple na komportable.
I feel so privileged to be here and, to celebrate Independence Day. I'm so excited to see what everyone's wearing.
Kinilala naman ng magazine ang mga naging ambag ni na Barbie Fortesa at Bianca Umali para sa industriya ng pelikula.
Lubos na pasasalamat and gratitude from the bottom of my heart for recognizing my hard work all these years.
I'm just honored to be acknowledged as one of this generation's women in movies. Nandito po ako dahil sa pagmamahal ko para sa sining ng pelikula.